Imagine this. It's the year 2050, and you're casting your vote in the election. But instead of choosing between the usual lineup of politicians, you're deciding between AI candidates. Yes, robots running for office. Wild, right? But before you laugh, think about it. Could AI actually make better leaders than humans? Let's face it, politicians don't have the best track record. Scandals, broken promises, bad haircuts, we've all seen it. And they have this habit of acting like they're in high school, constantly bickering over who's in charge. It's like the world's most exhausting reality show. But what if we could replace all that drama with cold, hard logic? No scandals, no ego, just pure decision-making brilliance from an AI government. Politics has always been about power, control, and a lot of bad decisions. Thousands of years ago, we had kings and emperors, basically people who thought they were better than everyone else because they had shiny crowns. Fast forward to today, and we've swapped the crowns for suits and ties, but in many ways, human nature hasn't changed. Why? Because, as much as we hate to admit it, humans are emotional creatures. We make decisions based on feelings, personal biases, and let's be honest, what will get the most likes on social media. But AI doesn't care about any of that. It doesn't need to get re-elected or keep up appearances. It doesn't have a bad day or hold grudges. It just processes data and makes decisions based on logic and facts. Sounds refreshing, doesn't it? Picture this. Instead of a president, you've got AI President 2.0. No personal scandals, no questionable tweets at 3 a.m., just 24/7 decision-making power fueled by data. You might be thinking, okay, but how would an AI leader handle complex issues like international diplomacy, the economy, or public health? Imagine AI tracking global patterns, instantly analyzing economic data, and optimizing public policies. Need to fix a healthcare system? AI would crunch the numbers, predict future challenges, and make evidence-based decisions in seconds. Meanwhile, human politicians would still be arguing over the color of the carpet in the Senate. But it doesn't stop there. AI wouldn't just be your typical politician. It could learn from past mistakes, unlike humans, who don't always have the best memory. Instead of repeating errors, AI would improve over time, making better decisions as it learned from each situation. Can you imagine having a leader that actually gets smarter every day? Of course, there are some big questions. Like, would an AI government really understand human emotions? Sure, AI is great at crunching data, but how would it handle issues that require a more personal touch? How would AI know what's best for people if it can't relate to them on a human level? After all, governing is more than just numbers. It's about understanding people's needs, fears, and aspirations. And then there's the big fear: what if AI becomes too powerful? We've all seen the sci-fi movies. AI goes rogue, takes over, and suddenly we're living in a robot dystopia. AI might be great at running the economy, but would we really want it controlling everything? Could AI make decisions about war and peace? Would it care about the human cost, or would it just look at the numbers? Plus, there's another hilarious and slightly terrifying thought. What if politicians just reprogrammed the AI to work in their favor? Imagine a world where politicians don't have to promise things they won't deliver. They could just hack the system to make AI say whatever they want. That would definitely take the political game to a whole new level of ridiculousness. So, if AI is running for office, what does that mean for elections? Would we still vote? And if so, what are we voting for? A new software update? Imagine politicians debating over coding languages instead of policies. Our AI candidate runs on Python, while their AI is still stuck in JavaScript. I mean, it could be the geekiest election ever. And let's not forget the campaign ads. Vote AI 2.0 because humans have had their chance. And let's be honest, they blew it. You'd have campaign promises like, I guarantee 99.9% uptime and zero corruption. No human can beat that. Here's the thing. AI government might sound like something out of a sci-fi novel. But with the way technology is advancing, it might not be that far off. We already use AI in healthcare, transportation, and even criminal justice systems. So, who's to say it couldn't step into the world of politics? But maybe the question isn't, will AI replace politicians? But rather, should it? Could we trust AI to lead humanity? Would we miss the human element? Or would we finally have a system that truly works without all the drama? At the end of the day, AI might be able to optimize policies, make faster decisions, and cut out the ego-driven conflicts that plague our current systems. But the human side of governance, the empathy, the connection, the ability to inspire, that's something that even the most advanced AI might never be able to fully replicate. So, what do you think? Is the future of government going to be all about AI politicians? Could robots really do a better job? Or should we stick with the humans, flaws and all? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing dives into the future of humanity.